Are you ready to supercharge your productivity? With Microsoft Office's latest offerings, Office 2024 and Microsoft 365, there's a lot to consider for your workflow. Which one truly deserves your investment? Microsoft Office has long been the go-to suite for anyone serious about productivity. But with two distinct paths now available, choosing between a one-time purchase or a subscription model can be daunting. Let's break it down. As technology evolves, so do our needs. Many users are stuck deciding between the convenience of a subscription service and the reliability of a one-time purchase. Office 2024 offers essential applications without ongoing costs, while Microsoft 365 brings regular updates and cloud capabilities. But what if you need collaboration tools? What if storage is a concern? The decision isn't just about price, it's about how you work and what tools best suit your style. Let's dive deeper. Microsoft 365 isn't just a collection of apps, it's a dynamic ecosystem. With 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage, you can access your files anywhere and collaborate in real time with your team. Imagine editing a spreadsheet on your desktop while your colleague makes changes on their tablet. All updates sync instantly. On the flip side, Office 2024, while solid, limits you to local storage and lacks ongoing feature updates. You won't get the latest tools, and security updates are minimal. For those who thrive on collaboration and the latest innovations, Microsoft 365 shines. Now, here's the pivotal moment. If you want to harness the full potential of tools like Microsoft Copilot and the latest features, the subscription model is the clear winner. Microsoft 365 not only keeps you connected but ensures you're always equipped with the best technology. If you need to work in a team or access your files on multiple devices, the choice becomes even clearer. With Office 2024, you're essentially locked into a snapshot of the software, which might be sufficient for basic needs but could hinder productivity in a fast-paced environment. Ultimately, your choice hinges on your specific needs: reliability versus flexibility, static features versus continuous upgrades. Thank you for joining us. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Your support means the world to us.